Hi, welcome back, friends. Welcome to the weekly summary of AI Part 2. Update 6. Google's Veo 2 is an advanced AI video generation model capable of creating high-quality, realistic videos from text or image prompts. Priced at $50 per second, it costs $30 per minute or $1,800 per hour, making it a premium tool for marketers, content creators, and filmmakers. Veo 2 supports up to 4K resolution and excels in realism, motion accuracy, and customization options like camera angles and effects. While its pricing is steep compared to competitors like OpenAI's Sora, Veo 2 offers superior visual quality and longer clip durations. It's already being integrated into platforms like YouTube Shorts to streamline content creation. Update 7. GPT 4.5 outsmarts humans in Turing test. Large language models, LLMs, have passed a standard three-party Turing test for the first time, according to a study. GPT 4.5 and Meta's Llama 3.1405b were tested against human participants in two independent populations. When prompted to adopt a human-like persona, GPT 4.5 was judged to be human 73% of the time, significantly higher than Chance Llama 3.1, achieved a 56% win rate, while baseline models Liza and GPT-40 performed below Chance. The results indicate that LLMs can convincingly mimic human behavior in short interactions, raising questions about their intelligence and potential societal impacts, such as job automation and enhanced social engineering attacks. Update 8. Generate new thumbnail. China's AI breakthrough, Alibaba versus NVIDIA. Successfully trained AI models using Chinese semiconductors, reducing costs by 20%. The company leveraged chips from Alibaba and Huawei to achieve performance comparable to NVIDIA's H800 chips. This breakthrough marks a significant milestone in China's AI development. Reducing reliance on Western technology, Ant Group is now increasingly using domestic chips for its latest models, reflecting China's growing AI capabilities and strategic pivot away from NVIDIA due to U.S. export controls. The move highlights China's push towards technological independence and could accelerate its AI ambitions. Update 9. AI and the metaverse. Ethics matter now more than ever. Kurt Butterfield, a renowned expert in AI ethics and governance, discusses the future of AI, the metaverse, and digital transformation. As the founding executive director of the Center for Trustworthy Technology, she emphasizes the need for responsible AI development and deployment. She highlights the challenges in creating immersive metaverse experiences and notes that while the metaverse holds promise for business and remote work, it requires significant technological advancements and resources. Butterfield advises businesses to focus on ethical considerations during digital transformation, ensuring equitable benefits from AI technologies. Her work at the World Economic Forum and as a visiting scholar at the Lucy Family Institute for Data and Society underscores her commitment to responsible AI governance and inclusive technological advancements. Update 10. Musk's AI chatbot revolutionizes federal work. Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, is deploying an AI chatbot to automate tasks at the Department of Veterans Affairs. The chatbot, which has been in development for months, is now being rolled out to federal workers. Despite concerns about job losses, DOI aims to enhance efficiency and streamline processes. The tool accesses large language models from companies like Anthropic and Meta, helping staff with basic tasks and data analysis. GSA also introduced a similar AI tool to boost efficiency and automate repetitive tasks, emphasizing a culture shift towards AI use. Safety controls are built into the systems to prevent personal information sharing, and the agency is not classifying conversations with the chatbot as federal records. The long-term goal is to expand the tools, use across other agencies, and develop an API for model. Update 11. Can AI replace researchers? Not yet. Researchers at the University of Florida examined the capabilities of generative AI in academic research. They tested AI models like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini through 6 stages of the research process, from ideation to manuscript production. While AI showed promise in ideation and research design, It struggled in literature review, results analysis, and manuscript production, requiring substantial human oversight. The study concludes that AI can assist researchers, but does not replace them, emphasizing the need for human verification and refinement of AI outputs. The researchers advise journals to acknowledge AI assistance and prohibit its use in research review processes. Thank you for watching, my friends. Love and peace. Stay safe, my friends.